Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to upload vehicle and driver card files into your TachoMagic account. The process is very simple and only takes a few clicks. For this example, I'll be using a DigiDown device, but the upload steps are the same for most download tools. The only important thing to remember is to make sure your data has been successfully downloaded from the vehicle or driver card before uploading it onto your TachoMagic account. First, what you would need to do is, after successfully downloading the data from your vehicle or driver card, plug the device into your PC. Next, open your TachoMagic account and log in into your admin. Then, what you need to do is navigate on the left-hand side menu and click on Upload Driver and Vehicles Files. From here, simply click on the Browse button on the top, and this will open your computer files. Usually now, as you see on the top, for me it's DigiDown, but for you it will be the device that you are currently using. From here, you will have two folders. You will have Card and VU. In both of these folders, you will have the files that you've downloaded from your vehicle. Card files will be the driver card data, VU will be the VU data. All you need to do is just double click on the folder. You will see all of your files. You can either upload them one by one or you can select them all. I usually prefer downloading them all, and you can do that by clicking Ctrl A onto your keyboard. Once you select them all, simply click Open, and you do the same with the card files. Once you have all the files selected, you simply click Upload File, and this will upload the data onto your TachoMagic account. From here, TachoMagic takes over, and after we do the analysis, you can access your reports. Just to mention, if you choose one of our automatic download devices, you won't need to worry about manually downloading data, connecting devices to your computer, or uploading files at all, meaning you won't even need to log in onto your TachoMagic account. Once the device is plugged into your vehicle, everything is handled automatically in the background and your data is sent directly to your TachoMagic account. It's the easiest, fully hands-off option, and we take care of the rest. That's it for this video. However, if you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team at any time. Thank you for watching.